In this episode, I would like to discuss the peacock and talk about the peacock feather and give some interesting facts about the peacock feather. Um, First, just a couple interesting facts about the peacock. It's actually the male that's called the peacock. The female are called peafowls or peahens, and it is the males that have the beautiful feathers that we're used to thinking of when we think of a peacock. They're blue or green in color, whereas the females will be brown. And let's talk about some interesting facts about these peacock feathers. Well, the peacock feather, first of all, it can grow extremely long, up to 6 feet long. And the peacocks actually don't gain their beautiful feathers until later in life, until about age 3. And they don't gain their color until about 6 months into their life. So at birth, it's actually very hard to distinguish males from females because they're all the same color. At about 6 months, the males will start to develop their unique color, and you can tell them apart. Another interesting fact is that the peacock has about 200 feathers. 200 of these beautiful feathers, and not only that, but these feathers are shed every single year, and new ones are grown. And that's right. So peacocks don't actually, thankfully, don't have to be killed in order to get the feathers of the peacock, because they will shed them naturally, in which they can just be picked up and used. And it was a symbol in older times for resurrection or rebirth or new life. The peacock feather was used many times, such as in Christianity, and it represented that idea, since the peacock would shed its feathers every single year and grow them back. And the feathers are used in the peacock's display dance, the peacock dance, which the males will do as a mating ritual to attract the females. So that's when you see the peacocks doing the peacock dance. It's a mating ritual. And last but not least, some people wonder if a peacock can fly due to its large size and large feathers. And actually, the peacocks can fly, and they can fly fairly far as well. And the thing that gives the peacock feather its shine are actually little microscopic crystals on the feathers that tend to reflect light in different wavelengths depending on how it hits it. So it gives it that shine, that pretty shine. All right, well, that's this episode on the peacock feather. Hope you learned something. If you haven't, go ahead and subscribe and like this, and share it out to others. And thanks for